I love that this thing has an alarm. Sorry that it's like so bright, but it's like mad dark outside, and I have this light that my girlfriend bought me for Christmas, and I haven't really had a chance to use it because I kind of stopped filming nighttime videos, but I figure let's give it a shot. Open the hood. So yeah, I got an HKS honeycomb filter, just basic, you know, Japanese shit. Get all of these swirl marks though. Alrighty, so I already have a what's it called?
Today, Junior?
Honeycomb filter. I've seen HKSs in Supras, GTRs, Hondas, I don't know. I've just always loved the way that they look. They're big, they're green. It says HKS right there in gold. I don't know. I kind of just had to. I really wanted one. So to take it off, it's a normal collar, or I don't even know what you call these. I can't remember the name. But yeah, it's just a flathead, or I believe a 8mm. If you want to use the hex, I'm just going to go ahead and use the flathead so I don't have to dig a lot through my tool bag. Now you don't have to take it off all the way, but it is good to loosen it quite a bit. This is being pretty stubborn. This looks like the stock air hose, and someone literally just got a new mass flow air sensor, connected it to this. That's crazy. Now the collar's loose. I just can't seem. Oh, there we go. Hey, we got a friggin' light, boy. That's what I'm talking about. I'm actually gonna turn the car on real quick and see how the intake sounds, see if it sounds any different. And I also reconnected the reverse lights because I guess that they were disconnected. I was gonna replace the bulbs because I thought that the bulbs didn't work, but I don't know, I guess they work. They just weren't plugged in. So I'm gonna do that and see what the car sounds like, see if it sounds any different real quick. Oh, another thing I got, vertex knob to match the wheel that I have coming in. It actually won't be here till May, which I'm kind of upset about, but oh well. Friggin' reverse lights, boys. Alright guys, that's gonna be all for now. So fast forward to the weekend. Alright, what's up guys? It's been 2 days since I filmed the last time when I was putting all that little stuff on the car. I'm trying to do like some big stuff right now, and hold on. And I've already run into a few problems, so right now, I don't even know if you'll be able to see it. Yeah, okay, you can see it from here. I put a Megan Racing elbow. Let's see if you can focus. There you go. A Megan Racing elbow, right? And I was supposed to put an exhaust outlet, or a turbo outlet, but I ended up snapping a bolt. This is like super zoomed in. I ended up snapping a bolt.
That's what I did.
Off the turbo outlet, so now I have to bring it to a shop so that I can put that on. This is the turbo outlet. There's some bolts in here so that I can put this on. I have to bring it to a shop. I don't know what they're gonna do. Probably gonna take the whole turbo out, probably tell me something's wrong with the turbo. I'm gonna have to buy a new turbo, but we'll get it done. So now what I'm doing is I'm trying to put the wheels on for you guys real quick so you can see them. I'm actually showing wire in the back already on my tires. So I'm gonna put all 4 on. I am running into a little bit of an issue. So, being as that the Skyline comes with these big brakes, I'm pretty sure they're like the equivalent to like a Z32 brake that people put on 240s and stuff. Correct me if I'm wrong, but the wheels that I got don't fit perfectly on here. Like they'll hit the actual caliper. So what I did is I bought these today for the speed for the rears, but I ended up having to use them here. But I can always buy more. But so it fits on here and it bolts on, but there's like very little lug nut actually grabbing onto the wheel. So I don't know how long I'm gonna want to ride around like that. I would have to get a spacer that bolts on and then has more bolts coming out, more lug studs coming out, like an actual like hub centric spacer instead of just one of these like bolt on ones. I would have to get one of those, probably like this is a 5 mil. So what I plan on doing right now is putting the wheels on for you guys so you can see them obviously, and I'm gonna measure how like how big of a spacer I need, because I don't know what is gonna clear this, because the wheels are pretty wide already. So I'm gonna have to figure it out. But for now, I'm gonna mount all the wheels. That's the only thing I've done today is I put this on, the Megan Racing elbow, like I said, and then I've just been fiddling with the wheels. I think that's all I'm gonna be able to do today. All right, guys. So we're having kind of an issue.
If this tire falls on my head, I will die.
The oil filter is like really on there. The previous owner, if he did change the oil during the time that he owned it, he did a damn good job at putting it on, because I don't know if you can see it. Where is it? Right there, that white part right there. That's the oil filter. Now, I don't even know if this is the correct oil filter. I did some research and people are saying that for R32s, GTSTs, and GTRs, it's an M1208 for mobile, and like a KN, like HP 2008 or something for a K&N oil filter. Every auto parts store near my house I went to did not have the K&N, so I bought the mobile one. There was at O'Reilly's. I also bought some 10W30, which was recommended for like 240s, Skylines, GTRs in Florida. So yeah, I got some of that full synthetic 10W30 with this oil filter. I don't even know if this is gonna work, to be real, because that one looks stupid small compared to this big one. So maybe the fitment of the GTRs and GTSTs is different. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure that out.
My pizza?
So yeah,
huh?
We're gonna keep working, and I'll update if we get it off.
You enjoying my pizza?
So quick update.
And that shit shoots flame.
Jess's dad was able to get the oil filter off, so now the black one actually fits. So the new one's on there, old one's chilling on the ground. Filled it up right on line, 4.7 in the oil, or 4.5 in the oil pan, and then 0.4 in the filter. So that's what I did. It's a total of 4.9. All right, so the wheels are on. I'm letting it warm up a little bit so I could do some revs for you guys. It's really cold. Has not been started since last night when I drove it. Meanwhile, just pulled up. Yeah.
Sounds good.
I think it actually helped, because if you guys look at this, I didn't show you this. This is the old elbow and the old gasket on the elbow.
That thing is so disgusting. Look at that.
That's probably why I was throwing smoke into my cabin and causing my girlfriend not to want to ride in the car. But yeah, this thing is completely destroyed. If anyone wants to buy it, they could buy it. Or I'm just gonna throw it away probably. But oh, I just realized I actually just leaked the wheels. So yeah. They're hot boy as fuck.
Looks so wrong.
Yeah, I have it. So they're 18 by 9.5 VSKFs. And don't get mad at me, because I don't know what the offset is. But yeah, so that's what I'm rocking with. I do need new lug nuts, I need new brakes, I need spacers all around, like I said. Yeah, car needs more stuff, but I got some stuff on. I'm gonna try to mount the side skirt for you guys so you can see what it'll end up looking like, or kind of get an idea. So I'm gonna do that right now, and I'll be back. All right, so we mounted the side skirts. Kind of, we just kind of mocked them up a little bit so you guys can see. I don't know if I'm gonna completely mount them today. That's what it looks like with the side skirts on. Looks pretty fire. So yeah, I think I'm pretty much done for the day. I don't know. If I do anything else, I'll grab the camera again. But okay, so what I'm gonna do is take the side skirts off and wait till I get everything else I need, like the brakes and the lug nuts and the spacers. Okay, until next time.
I've been down bad, I've been broke before, yeah. Dog, I couldn't even quote, yeah. This song right here, I said it wrong.